Welcome to my hike across Switzerland on the Swiss Panoramic Trail. We're going to be checking out St. Gallen, and thus why the library is here. These are all, 16, 1500s. Well worth the visit. All right, I'm not here to watch the movie, but look at these cowbells. And it is time to eat the bio. This is 4 to 5 months old. Moving right along. This tastes like fairly standard American style white, American produced style white cheese like this. It's good balance. Serves a purpose. It doesn't get turned down at cocktail parties or dinner, but it just does, for me, it doesn't have that spiciness that I like so much. Come to the website because there's a lot more information that I'm going to be putting online from this tour about the cheese production, following the life of a couple of the cows through, what their daily routine is, how much milk they produce, and how much of that milk gets turned into cheese. So come to the website, SwissCheeseTrails.com, for more stories and deeper information about the Appenzeller cheese process. First pass.
Während dieser Zeit wird die Temperatur der Käserei senken. Die Larven werden automatisch alle 4 Stunden gewechselt. Bevor die Käsereibälle herkommen, werden sie 48 Stunden in der Salzbad bei 50 Grad gelegt.
The tank in front of us is dropping. Makes sense because it's all going into the second set of tubes to make the wheel. Alright, we are in the herb station. This is the final part of a tour, and there's no herbs in here because of COVID. However, we do get to see the storage warehouse. Oh, look at that. I hope that's not it. I hope we get to see another cycle. Oh, that's okay. So they're rotating. Turning the wheels over, wiping them down. Wow, completely automated process. That is pretty wild. All right, thanks for joining me on the Swiss Cheese Trails Appenzeller factory tour. Don't tell the secret, it's the herbs. But it's really very good. I'm pretty excited here. I have not been here, and it makes a lot of sense for me to be here. So here we are. All right, tune in tomorrow. We'll have another segment of the Alpine Panorama Trail. We're making some progress. Weather is trying to cooperate. There's a big storm coming in today, which is why we took time out to visit the factory. Thanks very much, gentlemen. Until next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Come to the website, get much more detail about this cheese factory endeavor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you tomorrow for another 360-degree video. Almost filled.
Let us show you how our spicy Appenzeller cheese